Welcome back to Parts Automotive. Has your windshield wiper let you down in the rain? If you've ever been caught in a downpour without the proper wiper blades, you know how dangerous and stressful it can be. Today, we are going to talk about 4 signs that your wiper blades need to be replaced so that you never find yourself in that situation again. No. 1. Streaks on the windshield. When you turn on your windshield wipers and they leave behind water lines instead of clearing the windshield completely, it's time for new wiper blades. This is a sure sign that your current blades are not effectively removing all the water and are leaving streaks due to the uneven distribution of pressure across the blade. No. 2. A squeaking or chattering sound. If your wiper blades make a squeaking or chattering sound when they're in motion, it's an indication that the rubber has worn, hardened, or become damaged. The rubber component of the wiper blades plays a crucial role in creating a tight seal against the windshield, which ensures that your windshield is clean and debris-free. No. 3. Cracked or brittle rubber. Inspect the rubber on your wiper blades for any signs of cracking or brittleness. Over time, exposure to heat, sun, and age can cause the rubber to deteriorate, resulting in a loss of flexibility and a decrease in the effectiveness of your wiper blades. If you notice any cracks or brittle sections, it's time to replace your wiper blades immediately. Number 4. Missed areas while wiping. If you notice that certain areas of your windshield remain wet or dirty even after using your wiper blades, it means that your blades are not making proper contact with the windshield, or the rubber has become so worn that it is unable to effectively remove all the dirt and grime. Either way, this is a sign that your wiper blades need to be replaced. We hope this helps. As a friendly reminder, we recommend replacing your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months to ensure optimal performance and clear visibility in all weather conditions. Driving with worn wiper blades can be dangerous, and we want to help keep you and your loved ones safe. Don't wait until it's too late. Schedule your appointment today and experience the difference that quality service can make. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. For more helpful tips and advice, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.